Okay, yeah. Welcome back. We're gonna continue from where we stopped last class. So last class we did what we call products rule. So now we're gonna be taking what division rule. So example, if I was told to, with under indices, if I have, let's say I have 16 and 16 divided by 8. In indices, we can convert 16 into a product of its prime numbers, and that becomes what we have a 2 raised to power 4 divided by, don't forget 16 divided by 8. So divided by, so what is 8? Index of 8, like that is multiple of prime numbers of 8, and that gives us 2 raised to power 3. So come on, so what's going to be our answer here if this were to be simplified? So if this is simplified, since they have the same word, they have the same base, so we can just say, 2 is repeated in 4 times, and we have 2 repeated in 3 times. So remove 3 times from 4 times, you're left with what we have a 1. And why does that give us that? It's going to give us what do I say? 1. Meaning, I take out 2 in 3 places from 2 in 4 places, and you get left with 2 raised to power 1. So what's the rule? So this rule pertaining to this under exponents or indices is that if I have a raised to power, so if I have a raised to power m and divided by a raised to power n, so what is it going to be from here, from what to plan? So this is going to give us a raised to power m. Sorry, let me bring it down for here. A raised to power m minus n. And how do we get a raised to power m minus n? Come here. We can easily say that this one is a subtraction of 4. You're subtracting 3 from 4, and I get 1. So also now we can generalize that by saying whenever we have a case like this, our answer here will be what? It's going to be a raised to power m minus what? Minus n. So this is called what? Division rule. Now, in short, we've learned that multiplication is to addition, like multiplication of an indices. So what do you do? Of the same base, mind you, of the same base. So what do you do? We add their power. And here it also shows that whenever we have division of indices of the same base, so what are you going to do? We subtract their power. Now come to know, what if their base is not what the same? Their base is not the same. So I'm going to have just like this. I have 4 raised to power 2, and divided by, I have 3 raised to power 2. So what do we do here? We just need to factorize what we have here, the common factor. So if we factorize this common factor, this will give us what we call 4 divided by 3, or raised to power what we have it 2. So this can also be generalized under our rule. That is, whenever we have let's say m raised to power a, as we did before, and n raised to power what we have a divided by what? So what's going to give us? So here the base is different, but there's a common there's a common factor, common power. So what you do here is you factorize. So you're going to factorize divided by n, and factorize all raised to power what? All raised to power a. So thank you very much. We see you in our next class. So I hope this is clear. So in our next class now, we'll be moving on to another section, which is called what? Power law or rule. Thank you.